Chapter 2, Video 1. First, download the data file from Blackboard. Go to Blackboard, click on Class Schedule, and the file for this video is in January 9th tab. Click that, then download this Excel shell file. Once downloaded, make sure that you enable editing and then save the file using Save As in a folder where you have access to saving files. Note down the path for the folder so you'll be able to access the file afterwards. In this video, we're going to look at the data and give a name for each column of data. This data is about automobiles, and there are 38 cases. Each case is an observation, and it is provided in a row, and there are 38 rows. And there are 8 variables, and the variables are arranged in columns, and they are the country where the automobile was made, the make and model of the automobile, miles per gallon, weight of the automobile, drive ratio, horsepower, displacement, the number of cylinders. Now we're going to assign a name for this data set. Well, we're going to assign a name for each column of the data, and the name of the column is given in the first row, that is row number 21 in the Excel file. So starting from here, we have to first highlight the entire data set, including the row that contains the names. So click on the first cell of the first column and then go all the way down to the last cell in the last column. Now press the Shift key and keep the Shift key depressed and click on the last cell. Now the entire data set will be highlighted. Now to assign names, you need to go to Formulas and Create from Selection. Now Create from Selection has 4 options. And these options provide where the name is supposed to come from. The name of each column for us is going to come from the top row. So we uncheck the left column and keep the check for the top row. Now when we click OK, the labels from the top row will be used as the name for the rest of the data in the corresponding column. Click OK, and now the names have been assigned. So the name country is for the data starting from L22 through L59, and similarly for the name for the data starting from M22 to M59 is going to be car. Now we can verify this by going into the Name Manager tab. Then you see that name country refers to L22 to L59, and the name car refers to M22 to M59, and in the same way the rest of the columns are named. Okay, this is the end of the first video. In the next video, we'll look at creating frequency distributions for some of these variables.